Why does your scanner show the P0091 engine code? What does it mean? P0091 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pressure regulator. 1 control circuit low. It indicates the PCM has detected a problem with the voltage or signal to the fuel pressure regulator, causing the fuel pressure to be outside the expected range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low voltage signal. Wiring issues. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. Faulty fuel pressure sensor. PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Honda, Isuzu, GMC, Chevy, Chrysler, Toyota, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.